Founder, we are happy to present the report from 2015 to 2020. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Realizing the importance of giving the best through education, Reverend Father J. Arul Raj founded the St. Mary's Matriculation School in Pallipet. The support of Reverend Sister M. Virgin, the former Superior General of DMI, Reverend Sister Rita, the Superior General of DMI, the founding members, all the major superiors, and Reverend Sister Malajodi, the Chennai Provincial of DMI, correspondents, and those who consummated their service to this remote village of Pallipet sustained that effort.
Tiny step that tread 1,000 miles. Yes, the long cherished dream of Father Arul Raj and the long standing need of the people made Father take the decision to found a school. First step for the beginning of DMI group of schools. It was modest as any first step is. The founder sent his first team comprising of Reverend Sister F. Josephine DMI, Sister M.K. Teresa to Pallipet in May 1984 to find the possibility of starting a school in Pallipet. They stayed in a rented house and they moved around on foot, gathering the first admission for the Mary Immaculate Residential School. On the 3rd of June 1984, the school was officially inaugurated by Reverend Father J. Arul Raj with 32 students in the presence of Reverend Sister F. Rose DMI.
The activities of St. Mary's School are interwoven with the activities of the sisters in the convent. Before highlighting the activities of the school, let me briefly spell out some of the important activities of the DMI community in Pallipet. They are
the spirituality of the sisters. DMI Constitution number 58 says, partaking in the Holy Eucharist wherever possible and whenever possible will deepen our faith. Keeping this in mind, we do the following. God has chosen as religious to follow His footprints, so we need a spiritual meal and we follow all the spiritual activities like morning and evening prayer, Holy Mass, listening to Father's homily, annual retreat, reciting the Abba Father Rosary, Way of the Cross, adoration, sharing prayer, monthly recollection, reading and meditating the Word of God. So, with this faith, we strengthen our call as DMIs and to be closer to God.
Community life, DMI community, your morning star. Our constitution says, community is the first mission. With this inspiration, we create homely atmosphere in our community by accepting and loving, forgiving and sharing our joy with every member in the community. And the team spirit among the community sisters as well as the staff who are working with us, helping and being with the persons when they are in need and in the mission as well as in the difficult situation in order to make the person happy, then appreciate and listening to others and being available to the sisters, and we are sending all the reports regularly. Amusement make us to be cheerful wherever we live. We wholeheartedly thank Sister Rita DMI, the Superior General Sister Malajodi DMI, and the Chennai Provincial for sanctioning amount to buy the things for the chapel and for the community in last 5 years.
Superior General in 2019 encouraged and appreciated us for all work we have done. Really, we enjoyed their stay in our community.
Pastoral ministry. We do involve in the preparation of all the church activities during 2015 to 2020. We prepared 11 baptism, 8 first Holy Communion, 14 confirmation and 1 marriage.
Agriculture. Our mission is also to preserve God's creation which was created for the well-being of human race. DMI Constitution Article 12 says, preserving ecology for the future is integral part of the spirituality of the DMIs. As our constitution say, we continue to do the same in the mission field. We proclaim that one who has worked only has the right to eat. We cultivate paddy, groundnut, chili, banana, tapioca, palm tuber and some kitchen vegetables. Mostly, we the sister do all the work with the help of drivers, cleaners and ayahs. Through this, we witness to the world our team spirit, community life and hard work.
Mission in school. Academic coaching. Our academic strength is not just formal education alone, but we propose value education, character formation, communicative skills, creativity to write, read and reflect, inculcate a mature discerning power, create an awareness of the present day issues such as AIDS, dengue and corona, update news at the national and international level, and finally, make free and mature citizens.
We achieve these qualities through the united efforts of a mighty, committed and devoted team of sister, teachers and non-teaching staff working with sister administrator and the principal. Education opens up the mind, expands it and allows you to improve your life in so many ways. So our students improve their lives by getting the education from us. Presently, so many students are working as doctors, engineers, managers, principal of the schools and in other fields.
Good morning to all. I am D. Kailas, a first admission of the Pallipet St. Mary's Matriculation School. I am very proud to be a first admission in my school, that is St. Mary's Matriculation School, and I am thankful to our school founder, Reverend Father J.E. Arulraj and DMI sisters, administrators, principals, teaching staffs, non-teaching staffs. I am very proud to be a student of our St. Mary's School. Now I am a businessman. I am doing business and I am a senior insurance consultant.
Greetings everyone, I'm Dr. Vivek Paul Benjamin. I work in SRM University as a senior resident in general medicine. I would like to talk few things about my school, St. Mary's Matriculation School, Pallipet, where I did my schooling from LKG till 10th standard, and it is one of my most treasured memories. St. Mary's gave me great teacher and good friends. The school also gave importance to every detail like handwriting, public speaking skills, spoken English, and it also brought new things like quizzes and daily assemblies to improve the general knowledge. I'm grateful to my principal, Mr. Mathai. He encouraged me to better my public speaking skills. He's an excellent teacher and a very strict principal. He ensured that every student is punctual and disciplined. He helped us improve spoken English by conducting special phonetics classes in holidays, which proves the length he goes to make a better student. I'm thankful to my teacher, Mr. Tangamari. He made mathematics interesting.
Hello everyone, I'm Hema Vashini. I studied in St. Mary's Matriculation School from 4th standard to 10th standard. For me, being the person who I am today, my school is one of the reasons. The foundation is laid back there. The discipline they taught me, the teachings, the spirit they gave me, everything is from the school. I have learned a lot. They teach me a lot and lot more to go. I would like to thank my sisters, my staff and principal for always being a backbone to the students who are in need of help. There has always been an active participation whenever there comes to a competition. We have always given a space to express our own views and opinions.
Hi, I am S. Raja. My qualification is MA B.Ed. I am working as a teacher in St. Mary's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pallipet. I am very proud to say that I have studied in St. Mary's from LKG to 10th standard. I sincerely thank my Reverend Father J. Arulraj, Sister Virgin, Sister Jnanaselvam, Sister Jahani, Sister Eliamma and other sisters of this prestigious institution who inculcated me with a lot of moral values. This school have molded me with good discipline and good communication skill and really helped me to attain all-round personality. Thanks to all the committed members of this institution, especially my principal, Mr. T.V. Mathai, my 10th class teacher, Mr. S. Tangamari, Mrs. M. Devagi.
Hi everyone, I am Raju and I am working in Hewlett Packard Enterprise, Chennai as a IT engineer, and I am into a skillful project RPA, that is robotics process automation. I don't want to speak about much about my professional life, so I want to speak about my school and history. So today I am in this good position because of my schoolings and the education, good education and good discipline which was given by our school teachers, sisters, and as well as a very thanks to management team for appointing good staffs in our school. I am really proud to say that I studied in St. Mary's School from LKG to 10th standard. Without St. Mary's School, good education and good discipline, I may not be in this good position. Also, I want to thank Reverend Father J. Arulraj. because without his hard work and dedication, the school would have not been formed and in this good shape. So, and today our school is in a good position because of good education and good discipline, and most popularly known to most of the people in and around of surroundings today. So, and also I want to thanks my senior sisters like uh, Virgin sister, Elema sister, and Jnana Sulam sister, and also Rosemary sister.
Good morning to all. I am R.D. Ramani, working as a staff nurse in Institute of Child Health and Health Center, Egmore. I am proud to say I am a student of St. Mary's Matriculation School located at Amalipuram Road, Pallipet. First and foremost, I thank our father, Arul Raj, sisters Rose, Josephine, who organized our school at Pallipet. Service of DMI are very excellent. Service to humanity is service to God.
Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Darshan. I'm a pilot in United States of America. I studied from my LKG to class 10 in St. Mary's Matriculation School, Pallipet. That is the only English-speaking school in my town. And if you ask me about the teachers were so good. If there is any problem or if I do any mistake, they come, they help me solve the problem, whatever it is. Even if it is an educational thing or even if it is my personal thing, they come forward and help me through it. If you ask me about the management, they are so good, they are so responsible. If there is any problem, they are ready to solve it within a day.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ஆர் டி பிரம்மானந்தன். நான் தற்பொழுது திருச்சி மாவட்டம் முசிறி சப்டிவிஷன் காவல் துணை கண்காணிப்பாளராக பணியாற்றி வருகிறேன். கொற்றலை ஆற்றின் கரையில் கலங்கரை விழாக்காக கடந்த 34 ஆண்டுகளாக திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிற செயின்ட் மேரிஸ் மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளியின் முன்னாள் மாணவன் என்பதில் பெருமகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். தமிழக மக்களுக்கு மட்டுமல்லாது ஆந்திர பிரதேச மக்களுக்கும் அறிவு பசியை போக்கி எங்களின் வாழ்வையும் போற்றியும் தேற்றியும் எங்களை தலைமுறை செய்த செயின்ட் மேரிஸ் மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளியின் பாதிரியார் அருள் தந்தை அருள்ராஜ் அவர்களுக்கும் ஆரம்ப காலங்களில் எனக்கு மட்டுமல்லாது என் உடன் பிறந்த சகோதர சகோதரிகளுக்கும் உறுதுணையாக இருந்து எங்களை வளம் பெறச் செய்த ரெஸ்பெக்டட் சிஸ்டர் ரோஸ், ரெஸ்பெக்டட் சிஸ்டர் ஜோஸ்பின், ரெஸ்பெக்டட் சிஸ்டர் வெர்ஜின் மற்றும் ரெஸ்பெக்டட் சிஸ்டர் பிரான்சிஸ்.
I'm Anfin Narkis. Now I'm working as a senior associate in City Union Bank, Coimbatore. I'm an old student of St. Mary's Matriculation School, passed out at 2013. After that I finished my higher education and I done my UG at Agriculture College Research Institute, Thiruvannamalai. The most valuable thing which I have earned from St. Mary's is 3 C's, that is creativity, communication skill and cultural programs. These 3 C's have given me a backbone to all my success in my life, and so I'd like to thank all the sisters, administrators past and present, and all staff members, principal, Father J. Arulraj for giving me a great opportunity to do my basic schooling at such a rural area, giving me a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Glad that our school celebrated Silver Jubilee in the year of 2008 to 2009 with the blessing of God the Father, our Father Founder, all the major superiors. We have the immense joy because our Dr. Reverend Father J. Arulraj, the founder of DMI and MMI, Reverend Sister Rita, the Superior General of DMI, Reverend Sister Nyansilvam DMI, the DFT Managing Trustee, Reverend Sister Jagani DMI, the Secretary of the Schools, and Reverend Sister Sasikala DMI. The correspondent have visited Pallipet School and they encouraged and motivated us for the development of school. With their support and prayers, we are growing in better way.
Achievement. Out of 25 public exams in 10th standard, 20 exam we got centum results. In the following year, we got State Topper Award for Telugu. In 2004 to 2005 by C. Pavitra and in 2007 to 2008 by V. Tejashwini. 2 times state second and 4 times state third in Telugu. In April 2017, M. Gomati scored 495 out of 500, which is the top mark in St. Mary's so far. Social awareness like dengue awareness rally, marathon helmet dance to sensitize the wearing of helmets, and environmental issues like seed balls preparation.
Every year we receive value education prizes from the diocese, notably from the Archbishop of Madras, Mylapore. We received the prestigious Pride of Catholic Church Award from the Reverend Dr. Anthony Sami on 13th November 2016. Mr. Mathai, principal, received it for the school. Two of our staff received Best Teacher Award organized by JCI Erode. S. Tangamari, MSc B.Ed, was awarded the Best Teacher on 11th September 2018 from the Ministry of Education, K.A. Sengotian. T.J. Yogeshwaran, MSc B.Ed, received the Best Teacher Award on 2nd November 2019 from the Mr. Karupan, Minister of Environment of Tamil Nadu. Increase in infrastructure like buildings, conveyance facilities to 10 school buses, computer labs, physics lab, chemistry lab and biology lab with full facilities. Mr. J. Suginder, Standard 9th, received a cash award of ₹1000, the third prize in the state level in GK exam in 2019.
Helping the poor. We, the Sister of St. Mary's, help the poor by donating money, especially for blind, physically challenged, St. Joseph Hospice in Paleshwaram during the flood, and constructed 2 toilets in the year 2018 for the poor in Pallippat, where our students generously contribute anxieties and difficulties faced in the school. All parents want best education, but nobody is willing to pay the fees. Parents don't take any responsibility in forming children in the house. Children become sophisticated, rough and tough.
But there is no happiness without action. Hence our effort is to act according to our conscience, discerning what is good for our students. This gesture may melt those stony hearts of many and may be transformed. Such transformation may generate transformation if they come in contact with those transformed. Bertrand Russell is right when he said, "A good life is the one guided by knowledge and inspired by love." Can we give this without being partial? That is a challenge lying ahead of us. Thanks.